Welcome to New Choice. Today we are going to learn some Malayalam words with the symbol Ragaram and their English meaning. Kripa, mercy. Krishikaran, farmer. Krityam, duty, right. Kritanyada, thanks, gratitude. Kritaknada, ingratitude. Griham, veedu. Grihapadham, homework. Grihapradesh, housewarming. Triptam, satisfaction. Tridiyam, third. Trishna, desire. Thirst. Dhridi, hurry, haste. Nrittam, dance. Nripan, king. Bhrityan, seven. Mrigam, animal. Mrigashala, zoo. Mrityu, death. Mridam, dead. Mridangam, an instrument. Mridu, soft. Vrikka, kidney. Vrittam, circle. Vritti, cleanliness. Vrittandam, news. Vrittihina, dirty, unclean. Vridha, in vain, unnecessarily. Vridha, old woman. Vridhan, old man. Vrishti, rain. Vriksham, tree. Srishti, creation. Shrinkhala, chain. Hridayam, heart. Hridyam, pleasing. Hridayalu, sympathetic. Thank you.